Astilbe is a shade-loving, clump-forming herbaceous perennial that at this time of year can be cut back and split. This one is really well established and 3 to 4 years old, I would say. It's really good to split them and take in the nice new growth from outside of the clump. If they were just to be left, they will continue growing, but eventually they will look a bit tired, and in the centre it might start dying off. So we want to prevent that from happening. So all you do is just drive your spade into the ground, and you can start taking your clumps. Like this. Just like cutting cake. Perfect.